एहसास मन भी है भूजा, है दिल को लगाने की ये सजा, कोई दिल लगाए ना। ये जीना भी है जीना क्या भरा, थमी है सांसें मन भी है भुजा, है दिल को लगाने की ये सजा, कोई दिल लगाए ना, कोई दिल लगाए ना। तरड़ंग तंग तंग तंग, तरड़ंग। I am already missing these tunes. हर एपिसोड में जब वो बजते हैं and when the scene is intense तो वो intense होते हैं, when the scene is cute and romantic तो वो एक बहुत ही dreamy होते हैं with wind ऐसे, and that's the atmosphere of Rang Mahal, and it's really sad to know कि it is the आज जो है it's the second last episode of Rang Mahal. मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, it's been such an amazing journey. Like बहुत ही few dramas there are very few dramas with which I can really connect and be deeply into the dramas, like from A to Z, from day one till day pata nahi kya. It's already 90 plus episodes. फिर भी still it has the same attraction, the same catchy elements, the same wow elements, the same suspense. It carries too much. I don't know, it's just made in a magnificent way. पता नहीं मैं क्या ही बोलूँ. Normally I cannot reach episode number 50 of any drama. That's huge for me. Like what, 50? लेकिन देखो रंग महल की तो और बात है. So I would like to dedicate this whole video to Rang Mahal, to the cast of Rang Mahal, to the makers of Rang Mahal, to the mesmerizing Sahir Ali Bagga, and everyone, from Seher to Ali to Aruba to Asim Mahmood. I would like to congratulate everyone, and I'd love to say it's an amazing project. Please make more projects like these, like Rang Mahal. So I don't know, maybe शायद मैंने नहीं देखा एक और drama of this genre, of this from this director, maybe from this production house. I don't know. But अगर जियो की बात करेंगे तो I've seen खुदा और मोहब्बत, और I don't know, I've lost the contact after some time. Still there are some amazing scenes, लेकिन फिर बाद में आ जाते हैं कि बहुत ही long scenes, बहुत ही boring कभी कभी, और flashbacks. I am the enemy of flashbacks. लेकिन पता क्या है, रंग महल में इतने सारे हैं लेकिन फिर भी मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं. Why? I'm still looking for the answer, but I guess it's because of the amazing performances. Like whenever you have a flashback, you'll see the expressions. For example, Seher Khan, जो कि हमारी महापारा है. I will miss her. Seher Khan, when she remembers a scene or something the character Raid has said, or Shayla, her Amiji, ex-Amiji, so she is fully into the scene. She's as if she's living in that situation. और वही होता है, I mean, amazing actor. वही होता है शानदार अदाकार. So she definitely is. You can see whenever she's remembering a sad scene, a sad thing that they have said to her, trying to, diminish her power, or, जब इनकी इज्जत की बात आती थी, तो you'll, I adore watching her face on, full screen, without anything, just the background, the sad tunes, and the flashbacks. And it's never felt like it's boring, it's off, ये क्या दिखा रहे हैं, I don't know, बस it felt like from the heart of the makers to our hearts, the audiences. Rayad too. Ali Ansari, I have never seen Ali Ansari as amazing as in Rayad. I've seen him in Dar Khuda Se. Excellent. Lekin phir bhi, in Rayad, he's given everything, the whole effort. And sabne kiya hai. Asim Mahmood. He's a discovery. I have discovered him thanks to Rang Mahal. Hamara Salar jo hai. I am from those few people who thought that Salar is a negative character. शुरुआत में Salar's parents, उनकी अम्मी, I think it's a bit odd, bizarre. Why? Because she was so rude, at first, and she used to say these bad things to Mahapara, and then like a total shift. क्या हो गया? So yeah, maybe it can happen, लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. It's a bit. It's too much. A little bit too much. Lekin, of course, in terms of performance, she's done an amazing job. Salar's father. Oh my God, amazing. And Mahapara's Dadi. Oh my God. Like, it's one character I will miss too much. I love her to the moon and never back. I see my Dadi in her, and I wish I could spend that time with my Daddy. I wish Daddy was living with us. Yeah. Mahapara's father, excellent. Aruba Mirza, क्या ही बात है इनकी. Aruba, she's lovely. She is lovely. In her negative scenes, in her zehreele, expressions, and when she looks at Sohail and Sohail और Hajra के scenes बहुत ही मज़ेदार होते थे. कि आपको पता है, आपको तो पता है, मैं बताऊंगी अम्मी जी को और रायत को, तो बताओ कोई. Yeah, so they are just like two Nagins meeting in one frame. और of course Simi ji, Aruba's character ki Ammi, I love her. It's a project that just touches your heart. और कौन रह गया? Oh, Sara, Tania Hussain. और Sara is so lovely, and the character is so lovely too. और कौन? Of course, Fazila Qazi. She's in admiration. और the great Syed Gilani, Mohsin Gilani. Ji. Or the one who played Husna, I forgot her name, I'm sorry, लेकिन she's wow, सबने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. Sohail, Sohail. Yeah, I'm saying this because he doesn't deserve Mahapara at all, and she should not marry him. Let's see. We have tomorrow's episode. Allah khair करे. Sohail, the crush. I think सबका crush है, लेकिन he's negative. Yeah. हम क्या ही कह सकते हैं. We have Asma too, and that's a dream friend. I think everyone wants to have a friend like Asma. Even at the times where she was not with her, or I mean, she doesn't know anything about her कि वो कहाँ है, मरी है, I mean, जी रही है. She used to be with her, you know, in another way. और फिर स्टोरी की बात, स्टोरी, oh my god, the story is very heart touching. लेकिन प्लॉट की अगर हम बात करें तो क्या ही बात है, क्या बात है. लाइक यू मे नेवर फील इन एनी एपिसोड के समथिंग मिसिंग है. In every episode you will have a suspense element. You will be waiting for the next episode कि क्या होगा, कैसे करेंगे, and it's unexpected. It's unexpected. Like there is always something new. There is always this conflict, and the conflict is going to be solved, and then you will have another bigger conflict, and ऐसे ही. So I will miss Rang Mahal पूरे दिल से. And the song, oh my god, OST की अगर हम बात करें तो I love the starting, लेकिन मैंने मेमोराइज नहीं किया. सच में ये मेरे साथ होता है. Whenever I am so mesmerized with a song, I tend to forget some parts. So it goes like मैं कोशिश करूँगी. Dun dun dun, and the wind. खुदा से है दुआ मेरी, नहीं अच्छा नहीं लगा मुझे. खुदा से है दुआ मेरी, किसी का यार ना बिछड़े. So I will miss these days where मैं बहुत ही मिस करूँगी उन दिनों को जब मैं I used to bring the episodes on our TV on the bigger screen और सब देखो अजान हो रही है और हम कहते हैं कि जब अजान हो रही होती, देखो मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रही. We have this thing whenever we are speaking, we are saying something and अजान होती है तो we say क्लेमी अला हक. So क्लेमी अला हक. So I am saying the truth. So yes, पूरे दिल से मैंने बहुत मिस किया है already और आगे भी मिस करूँगी. महापारा को, रायद, सोहेल, सोहेल you're so bad, प्लीज़ सुधारिए अपने आप को. और अरूबा, I mean हाजरा, सबको यार, सबको. So yeah, when everyone is sleeping, I used to watch Rang Mahal and I can never miss one single episode. So I'm always ready each and every day के बस Rang Mahal ही देखना है. And of course 4 घंटे of difference. So yeah, I have to wait for the episode to be uploaded on YouTube each and every time. So yes, I don't have many shikwas, बल्कि my admiration for this serial is, I mean, overlapping, and it's bigger than my than the flaws that I discovered. और मैं आपको ही बताऊंगी जो मुझे अजीब लगा थोड़ा सा वो यार. I mean, why is everyone behind the door? I mean, हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है, especially Raid is always behind the door listening to any conversation. Oh my god. और सबके दरवाजे, अरे क्या हो गया, छोड़ो ना, सबके दरवाजे और the doors are always open for everyone to just sneak and to listen and to interfere and to do everything. I mean, कोई privacy नहीं है, especially सोहेल और हाजरा की अगर हम बात करें. वैसे उन दोनों की कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है. I mean, they are so दुश्मन्स to each other. So yeah, I mean, it's not the best thing to do but I mean it's a coincidence, it happens once in a while. और ये एक तो coincidence की ये जो चीज़ है, I mean इट्स ऑलवेज इत्तेफाक से, इत्तेफाक से वो जा रहा है, इत्तेफाक से वो सुनता है, इत्तेफाक से वो आती है, इत्तेफाक से ये पता नहीं क्या करता है. आई मीन ये नहीं होता है, कसम से नहीं होता है और नहीं होना चाहिए. आई एम नॉट कंपेयरिंग इट द ड्रामा टू रियलिटी, टू द रियल वर्ल्ड, लेकिन even in fiction, even in dramas and films, it's not like that. It should not be that bizarre because we have to relate now. But yeah, kahin dafa it's beneficial and it's useful because it reveals something true. लेकिन हाँ इस तरह मत करिए. I mean we should learn ना थोड़ा सा. So even in our religion we are told that we should not do this thing. I mean we should respect others' privacy and yeah, it's like something sacred, you know. जब दो लोग और एक बंदा और एक बंदी एक कमरे में होते हैं तो you should not just enter or listen behind the door or yeah, you should ask for permission. अगर आपको सुनना है, अगर आपको जानना है तो पूछ लीजिए या फिर आप थोड़ा सा अकल को इस्तेमाल करें. So yes, I think Rayad missed too much. Yeah, he came too late. I know he was heartbroken and everything, but he should have asked Mahapara and trusted Mahapara. In the farmhouse, Rayad was telling his elder brother Sohail कि ये लड़की मेरे पीछे कर रही है पता नहीं, and he's talking about Hajra's cousin. और Sohail thought कि ये महापारा की बात कर रहा था. So I think we should not continue with misunderstandings in conversations. We should ask, we should know, we should clarify. देखो ये मैं इसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, देखो मैं इस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, या I mean I know मैं क्या ही बोल रही हूँ because that's the plot and that's how the story is going to evolve. लेकिन फिर भी और सुहेल की क्या बात है. I mean ये Mahapara was like his sister, so I think वो जो दूसरी नज़र जो थी, he should not have that for Mahapara. और Hajra, yes, Hajra deserved all the bad things that happened to her. लेकिन I mean कसम से यार, I felt so bad and I felt, I mean, shattered when I saw her, especially when she's crying in the hospital. उनकी अम्मी के साथ थी जब फरी ये कल के किस्त I think, yeah, when Fari was ill and she needed blood, and when Rayad came to donate. I mean that scene, and that you know Rayad has this human side. No, everyone has. Everyone has, but Rayad has worked on himself in such a way that he really cares about humans, human rights, human ethics, सब कुछ. लेकिन साथ साथ वो बहुत ही weak थे और बहुत ही vulnerable हम कह सकते हैं. हाँ, कुछ ज़्यादा ही. And he was so much into his brother. और ऐसे ही होता है ज़िंदगी में. शैला why? ये आपकी बेटी है. Anyways, and I loved यार सबके performances. यार I have to say this again and again. Like अगर सबके performances इतने मज़ेदार और amazing और high level के नहीं होते तो you can never have this intensity and love for the characters and for the story. अच्छा, Salar is too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. यार नहीं, I mean it's too much, you know, it's too much. I can even feel Mahapara. She cannot love him really. ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही है, no. Anyways, लेकिन I think Mahapara's journey and her success. What's wrong with me? उनकी कामयाबी Oh my god, she's so aspiring, she's so inspiring. और मैं क्या ही कह सकती हूँ. So और यार Mahapara's दादी, she was always there throughout. She believed in her daughter. क्या पोती क्या होती है? And even the father, but maybe he was so, you know, bitter to believe everything happening around him, and he just left. Or maybe अगर Mahapara's father की वफात ना होती तो she, I mean, she would have been in the same point. Maybe वो evolve नहीं कर पाती, maybe वो grow नहीं कर पाती उसी तरह से. So yeah, मैंने देखा था बहुत सारे controversies कि if you are a poor girl then you carry dupatta, if you are rich then you don't. ऐसी बात नहीं है. स्टाइलिंग की अगर हम बात करें, इट्स अ पर्सनल चॉइस. और या आई बिलीव ड्रामाज और ड्रामा मेकर्स की जिम्मेदारी होती है. कह रही थी कि महापारा जो है, शी वॉर दुपट्टास इवन when she is in office and everything. Or this is the character's necessity. She has changed, so she had to change her look, her hair, her everything. So definitely वो जो colors थे, they have to change, and you move to these motifs, patterns, पता नहीं. But she has carried dupattas, and even if नहीं तो मसला क्या है, she always wears these respectful clothes and amazing outfits. मैं क्या ही बोलूँ. और मेरा favorite तो वो red shalwar with the colorful dupatta. So she's amazing. Seher Khan is really amazing. Or Ali Ansari, outstanding. Qasim Mahmood, सब फजीला जी, सैयद मोहसिन गिलानी, और सब ने, I mean, they're so cute. They just reply you on Instagram, they mention you, they do everything. They appreciate our love. It's not कि एक तरफा का प्यार है, पता नहीं. So yeah, please Jio wale, make more amazing projects like these. Inspiring, sweet, simple, I don't know, rich. They're so rich. Oh, dialogues. Oh my god, excuse me if I forget something. Dialogues, heavy, rich. Rich is the word, you know. I cannot find any other word to describe that. So to the point, so expressive. सबने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, सबने. Special यार Rayed, when he was going mad and having these hallucinations and trying to commit suicide. Oh my god, क्या काम है सच में. Amazing. और hats off to the whole team. बल्कि even the stylist, the hair, makeup, the designers, सब ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. और yes, रंग महल, an amazing project, unforgettable. यही आखिरी बात. I have to stop, वरना मैं बोलती चली जाऊँगी. Anyways, this is your Arab Tunisian fan, the whole team of रंग महल. आपका बहुत शुक्रिया for making my रातां बहुत ही लंबियाँ और amazing. और yeah, stay safe, stay blessed and blissful, और खुदा हाफिज.